Nike is celebrating the 30th anniversary of Sergio Lozano's Air Max 95 by bringing back the iconic OG neon colorway with a heritage-inspired Big Bubble update. First released in 1995, the Air Max 95 Neon is widely considered one of the most important sneakers in Nike history, known for its layered gray upper and vibrant neon green accents. While the colorway has returned several times over the years, this upcoming edition aims to stay closer than ever to the original design. The Big Bubble detail, highlighted by a visible seam on the heel air unit, adds a vintage touch that many past retros did not include. Early previews appeared during the SNKRS Showcase in late 2024 and later in Awake New York's Spring 2025 catalog, fueling excitement among fans. Nike is also planning multiple Air Max 95 collaborations throughout the year, making this a landmark moment for the silhouette. A wider release of the Air Max 95 OG Neon Big Bubble is scheduled for March 5, 2026.